Good day, guys and girls. We're going to do a quick video on how to resupport this lilac tree. The issue is that when I pull my car all the way up in the driveway here, the two branches, if you want to call that, stems, they've fallen down so low that you just can't get under them. We're not even 5 feet right now. So we're gonna try to fix that. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take these boards here. Got a notch cut into the board so that we can place it underneath the limb of the tree. And we've got another board. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna lap this and we're gonna take a quick clamp and we're gonna clamp down on it. I got them hanging in the tree, so hopefully they'll stay there when we go to do this. So let's see what we can do. We're just moving the board up and down so that we can get it into the right spot. We're lifting on this bottom one because it's also supporting this one right here, and there's a good solid point to kind of bear everything in. Now, would this be easier with another person? Heck yeah. So, we were at 5 feet, just under 5 feet actually. Now we're up to 6'6", and that's a nice height for me. Just barely scraping as I go under. So, we've got everything supported right now. Now it's time to get the cables out. So, this is the kit that I have purchased, and I'll put a link in the description. This one here has the coated wire on it, and it comes with all the clamps that you need. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to go around the branches there, and we're going to come back and we're going to resupport to this middle one right here. And what I've done is I've taken this is actually a washer hose, this is an old one, so I've cannibalized it. I've got some pieces, so these pieces are just going to wrap around the actual tree itself and help support everything, and then do the same thing on the inside of the tree there. So I know I mentioned that we were going to cut some hose, so for those who have never done it before, a pair of tin snips, will work. Or if you don't have tin snips, a decent pair of scissors, heavier scissors, will also do the trick. Okay, so next we've measured out how much cable we need to get around this section. So we've got the cable where we want it, and we're going to leave a little bit extra, pair of side cutters. There you go. So just work at it a little bit. Side cutters will do the job. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to take our hose. We're also going to take our other piece of hose. We're also going to grab one of these cable clamps and we're going to get this started. Take a bit to get everything adjusted. Okay, so that was a little bit longer and harder than I thought. And I'm also not in the location that I kind of wanted to be. But what we've done is we've kind of hooked it on this, whatever you want to call it, knot, or where an old branch used to be, and hopefully this is going to support everything. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the drill going, and we're going to tighten this up.